Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while I haven't been posting, but today I'm back with another DIY video. I'll be showing you how to make a Bobo balloon. Now I'm inserting some small balloons into the Bobo balloons. Then I'm just going to use the hand pump to inflate the balloons. After inflating each balloon, I'll add some air into the Bobo balloon to give me some more space to work with. So now I'm adding some confetti to the Bobo balloon. Then I'm just using this piece of cloth to rub the Bobo balloon to create static so that the confetti can stick to the inside of the Bobo balloon. After I'm done, I'll use a 360 balloon to tie the Bobo balloon. Now I'm using the 360 balloon to secure the balloon stick cup to the Bobo balloon. After cutting the vinyl, I'm now weeding out the words to be placed on the Bobo balloon. I'm now using a transfer tape to transfer the words to the Bobo balloon. I'm now working on the gift box. Earlier I used a piece of foam to secure the balloon stick into the gift box. Now I'm adding the gifts and some sweet treats into the box. Now I'm adding the Bobo balloon to the balloon stick, after which I'll use some ribbons to help secure the Bobo balloon to the box. Now I'm using some additional ribbons, bows and flowers to beautify and enhance the gift box. So this is the finished product, guys. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like for me to create these lovely Bobo balloon gift boxes for you, you can contact me. My information will be linked in the description down below. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.